Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Patreon income using membership tiers and perks, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, assess your current Patreon model. Identify the reasons behind your income decline. Review your existing membership tiers and perks. Determine which tiers are underperforming. Analyze feedback from your current patrons. Consider what motivates your patrons to support you. Research successful creators in your niche. Look for common themes in their membership tiers. Design new tiers that reflect your creative work and audience needs. Set clear and attractive price points for each tier. Define specific perks for each new tier. Make sure these perks are valuable and achievable. Examples may include exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or personalized messages. Communicate clearly how these new perks enhance the patron experience. Revise your existing tiers if necessary to align with these changes. Create an engaging announcement outlining your updates. Express the benefits of the new tiers and perks to your patrons. Consider creating a video or graphic to support your announcement. Launch your new tiers with a promotional push. Encourage current patrons to upgrade their support. Utilize your other social media platforms to spread the word. Monitor the response from your audience after the launch. Be open to feedback and willing to adjust tiers if needed. Continuously engage with your patrons to build community. Regularly update them on the progress and success of your offerings. Track your income and engagement metrics closely. Evaluate the success of your new tiers after a set period. Make necessary adjustments based on patron feedback and income data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.